Hello friends, welcome to M for Mathematics. This is Kamal. I would like to thank everyone for liking and watching my previous video. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about the topic polynomials. Actually, this topic is specifically for grade 9 and 10 CBSE students. So before we begin with the topic polynomials, we'll recall some terms, basic terms. The first one is variable. The value of a variable can keep changing. It is denoted by a letter X, Y, Z, etc. Then what is a constant? The constant, its value remains same throughout a particular situation. It is denoted by a letter A, B, C, etc. The next term is algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions of the form like 2x minus 3 by 2x square, half x, x square plus 2x, minus x cube plus 4x square, minus 3x plus 7, etc. These all are algebraic expressions. If we look at this expression 2x, in this expression this 2 is a constant and this x is a variable. In this expression 2x, this 2 is the coefficient of x. Now we'll take one example of a polynomial. In this polynomial, these expressions minus x square, 4x and minus 7, these are called the terms of the polynomial. In this minus x square, coefficient of x square is minus 1. In this term 4x, coefficient of x is 4. And this term minus 7, it is called as a constant polynomial. Now expressions like 2x minus 3 by 2x square, x square plus 2x, minus x cube plus 4x square, minus 5x plus 7, etc. If you look at all these expressions, the powers of the exponents of all the variables are whole numbers, right? Exponents of variable x are all whole numbers. So such type of expressions are called polynomials. Now consider some more examples of algebraic expressions. X plus 1 upon x, x square minus 1 upon x cube, under root x minus 2, cube root of y plus y square, etc. Now if you look at all these expressions, in the first one we have x plus 1 upon x can be written as x to the power minus 1. In the second one we have x square minus 1 upon x cube, and this can be written as x to the power minus 3. Root x means x to the power 1 by 2 minus 2. In this it is cube root of y, that is y to the power 1 by 3 plus y square. So all these values, this is minus 1, this is minus 3, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3, these are not whole numbers. So exponents are not whole numbers. So when in the algebraic expressions exponents are not a whole number, so these are not a polynomial. So these all algebraic expressions are not a polynomial. Polynomials may be denoted by the symbols px, qx, gx, rx, etc. We'll use these symbols if the variable present in the polynomial is x. If polynomial is in terms of y, then symbols will be py, qy, gy, etc. If our polynomial is in terms of u, then the symbols may be pu, qu, etc. Now, polynomial. Poly means many. So, a polynomial can have any number of terms. Very important part of a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial. What do you mean by a degree of a polynomial? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, in this polynomial, x cube minus x to the power 7 plus x square minus x plus 5, the highest exponent or highest power is 7. So, degree of this polynomial will be 7. In this expression, highest power or highest exponent is 2. So, its degree is 2. Similarly, in this expression, the highest exponent is 5, so its degree will be 5. Now, the next topic is types of polynomials. We can divide polynomials on the basis of number of terms present in a polynomial, and the second basis is on the basis of degree of a polynomial. So we'll discuss one by one. First one is a polynomial having only one term. If just one term is there in the polynomial, that is known as a monomial. For example, 2 by 3x minus half x square, only number 7, etc. These all are examples of monomials. Then the polynomials having only two terms, they are known as binomials. For example, x plus 1, two terms are there, so it's a binomial. X square plus 3, y square minus 2y, etc. These all are examples of binomials. Then polynomials having only three terms, trinomial. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x cube plus x square minus 5, etc. So when three terms are there, it's a trinomial. So this is on the basis of number of terms present in a polynomial. Now, degree of a polynomial. First one is, if degree is 1, it is known as a linear polynomial. For example, x plus 1, 4x minus 3, etc. If degree of the polynomial is 2, quadratic polynomial. For example, x square minus 2. So here degree is 2, so that's why it is a quadratic polynomial. X square minus x plus 1, etc. And third one is, if degree is 3, that is known as a cubic polynomial. For example, x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 5. So on the basis of number of terms in a polynomial and degree of a polynomial, we can divide them in these three parts: monomial, binomial, trinomial. And on the basis of degrees, linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic. Now, general form of a linear polynomial. In variable x, polynomials are denoted by px, so px is equal to ax plus b, provided a is not equals to 0. So this is what a general form of a linear polynomial, ax plus b, and the variable is x here. And general form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, provided a is not equals to 0. Only then it will be a degree 2 polynomial, that is a quadratic polynomial. And a cubic polynomial, provided a is not equals to 0, because only then it will be a cubic. So just remember all these general forms of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So this is all about the introduction of polynomials. In my next video, you will be studying about the zeros or roots of a polynomial. Keep watching M4 Mathematics. Thank you.